Exploring Easter crafts, a creative journey. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful and creative world of Easter crafts. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, this video will guide you through the meaning and ideas behind Easter crafts, a fun and festive part of the English-speaking world's Easter celebrations. Easter crafts refer to creative activities related to the Easter holiday. Easter, a significant celebration in Christian cultures, commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Over time, it has also become a secular holiday celebrated with various symbols like Easter eggs, bunnies, and springtime decorations. Easter crafts include making these symbols using materials like paper, fabric, and paint. They are a way to express creativity and engage in family-friendly activities during the Easter season. 1. Easter egg decorating, one of the most iconic Easter crafts. It involves coloring or adorning eggs with various designs and colors. 2. Bunny crafts, making bunny figures or bunny-themed items, since the bunny is a popular Easter symbol. 3. Easter baskets, creating decorative baskets to hold Easter eggs and gifts. 4. Paper crafts, includes making Easter cards, paper bunnies, or flowers. 5. Fabric crafts, sewing or creating items with Easter themes, like tablecloths or costumes. Each craft has its unique charm and allows people of all ages to explore their creativity. Engaging in Easter crafts is more than just a fun activity. It's a way to understand and partake in the cultural traditions of Easter. It's an excellent opportunity for English language learners to immerse themselves in a cultural experience and learn new vocabulary related to crafting and the Easter holiday. We hope this video has been an enjoyable and informative journey into the world of Easter crafts. Remember, crafting is not just about the final product. It's about the joy of creating, learning, and celebrating traditions. Happy crafting and happy Easter! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video.